Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Target Plus, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with Target Plus, start by navigating to the Target Plus website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth process. Locate the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click on this button to be directed to the registration form. Fill in your business information, including your business name and type. Next, provide your tax identification number. This information is crucial for verifying your eligibility. Enter your contact information, including your email address and phone number. Create a secure password that meets all specified criteria. Carefully read through the terms and conditions. It is essential to understand these policies before proceeding. After agreeing to the terms, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submission. Check your inbox for this confirmation, and make sure to verify your email address. Once verified, wait for further communication from Target regarding your application status. If approved, you will receive instructions on how to complete your setup. Follow the provided steps to set up your seller account. Upload necessary documents, such as your business license and tax information. Ensure all documents are clear and readable for verification. After document submission, monitor your email for any updates or requests from Target. Once your account is fully set up, familiarize yourself with the seller dashboard. Explore the various tools and resources available to enhance your selling experience. Now you are ready to start listing your products on Target Plus. Make sure to check compliance guidelines to optimize your listings. Stay updated with any changes in policies or requirements from Target Plus. With everything in place, you can begin your journey selling on Target Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.